Hey guys, what's up? This is Dexter in from Tech Dexter and I'm back with a new video. So actually in this video we will see some coding stuffs because as you can see I have uploaded the video after a long time and I was quite busy with my schedule. I was learning certain languages and I just completed the Python and now I am going to learn C language and here I will share certain tutorials with you. I mean, just want to say, okay. So this is code block. This is basically an ID. It is a nice ID. I like this, and it contains the editor, it contains the compiler, and finally it will also run your code. Okay, so what you need to do every time you want to create a new coding program or whatever you call this, go to create a new project. After that select console application. After that select obviously C language. Now you need to give your project a title. Okay, so we will give this print on screen. That simply means that I mean, if we want to print something on the screen, how we can do this with the C language. Okay, so whenever you create a new project you will end up something like this. Okay, end up on something like this. You won't find any editor here. What you need to do is click on plus here sources. Now that double click on main.c. Now let me clear this up in order to make you understand about the stuffs. Okay, so the first thing, as you can see in the first line, hashtag include stdio attach. It is our header file, that is the standard input output header file. It will simply include the ability for the program to take input and give output. Okay, this header file must be included in every C program because basically every C program is based on the method of taking input and giving output. So this must be included. Then we need to include stdlib.h, that is the standard library of Python. Library contains a lot of things, stuffs I will tell you later about the library. So you just understand one thing, that you need to create these two. Okay, these two are the header files which are necessary, and the files which are included in this header file is included in this program. Okay, next thing is, as you can see in the fourth line, okay, one more thing, there's no need to give any space in between, but we just give this in order to make the program look more awesome, more good. Okay, so the person can understand. Okay, so here as you can see, this is the function, main function. This function is available in every C program. That is the basically every C program contains this function. This is int main. Okay, this simply means that main is a function which will take a return value of type which has an integer data type of return value. Okay, so we can also select here void, and what will happen I will tell you later. Now as you can see that after creating the function we put curly brackets. Okay, these curly brackets are very important because whatever is within this curly bracket is the code. Okay, is the code that will run, and that is simply known as the body of the function. That is the body of the function main. Now let me tell you that suppose you want to print something on the screen. Okay, one more thing, as you can see that I am not writing from here, but I am writing it by giving some space in the beginning. This is called indentation. Okay, it must be given in order to make the program look quite good. Okay, now what you need to do is, suppose you want to print let's say Dexter rain. Okay, so what you need to type, printf is a keyword which is used to type something on the screen or simply get to be printed on something screen. Now you need to select the curly brackets. This is for every time you want to print something on screen, you have to do this. Now double quotes, after that you need to type inside this what you want to print on the screen. Suppose we want to print Dexter rain. Okay, we are done with this. Now at the end of the curly brackets you need semicolon. It is very important because semicolon signifies that the statement is ended and the compiler will know that the statement ends here. If you want to put a semicolon at the end, then it will create an error. Okay, now okay, we will run this and see what happens. Okay, so as you can see that the Dexter in is printed here. Now you can see that there is a return 0. You have to put this return 0 every time you have taken the data type to be integer. If you place here void you need not to add this line. Okay, it's up to you. Now let me show you how it works. Here it is, as you can see. Now one more thing, suppose you want to print dextrain and you also want to print tech-dextro. Now go ahead and type printf curly brackets double quotations and tech, okay, tech-dextro, okay, and as I said, semicolon at the end. Now just tap on build and run. Oh, there's a problem. There's a problem because as you can see that the dextrain and tech-dextro are printed on the same line, and as you can see that rain and tech are joined together. Now in order to resolve the problem, what you need to do is you need to place at the end of your text, inside the double quotes, you need to place this, okay, everywhere, okay, and then when you will tap on build and run, magic happens. Dextrain, tech-dextro on different line, looking quite nice. Okay, so this is it. So this was our first tutorial of C, and I hope you enjoyed this. So please subscribe the channel if you wish and we will see in the next video some other stuffs, some important one, day by day. Okay, goodbye.